Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wood Taiwan 2023. My name is Pauline Tu from Taiwan. It's my pleasure to meet with you online. For the next 10 minutes, I will introduce you Taiwan's woodworking machinery industry and the Taiwan International Woodworking Machinery Show. Being an export-oriented industry, the export of total output is above 80%. Taiwan is the fourth largest exporter in the world, alongside China, Germany, and Italy. Taiwan holds that place thanks to the agile industrial cluster, making its woodworking machines high quality and competitively priced. There are around 300 woodworking machine manufacturers in Taiwan. Over 80% of them are located in central Taiwan, creating a synergy that consists of an entire value chain offering advantages such as flexibility, on-time response, after-service support, and R&D innovation. With the support of the Industrial Development Bureau, under the Ministry of Economic Affairs, the Taiwan Woodworking Machinery Association, and the Precision Machinery Research and Development Center cooperate and establish the Debut Team Alliance in 2012. Taiwan was the fourth largest working machinery exporter in the world in 2021. Its total export reached $901 million, and the share of the total exports was 26% worldwide. With the best understanding of Taiwan's woodworking machinery industry, now let's move on to the leading woodworking machinery show in Taiwan, Wood Taiwan. The physical edition of Wood Taiwan is scheduled to return next year after 5 years due to pandemic. Wood Taiwan 2023 will take place from April 20th to 23 to showcase the mainstay or upstream, mainstream, and downstream products from wood material, processing equipment, hand tool components, handmade DIY workshop, laser engraving, furniture hardware, software, and wood furniture are all welcome to sign up. Domestic and international big brands from home and abroad participate in Wood Taiwan regularly as exhibitors. Here is just the list of few of Wood Taiwan 2023. Wood Taiwan is the best and one of the leading woodworking machinery trade show in Asia. Features exhibits with machinery and equipment, hardware, accessory, and plants, power tools for homemade DIY woodworking, and wood for wood. What's more, seen with Envision a greener future, the trade show will address the latest solution to sustainability and future new technologies and innovative applications. All exhibitors are welcome to share how your exhibits and solutions contribute to sustainability on the earth. Embody the spirit of the Wood Taiwan 2023, envision a greener future. Wood Taiwan Sustainability Advocates can get a free banner on the official website and the official publication, a green label. Wood Taiwan will be online and offline hybrid exhibition. Besides rich displays, physical and digitally, there will be a lineup of events held on-site and online, including forums, seminars, procurement meetings, live stream from the showground, podcasts, and guided tour. We understand that international travel may not be easy for everyone. For those who look forward to Wood Taiwan 2023, but not be able to attend physically, we launch service on-site guide for online visitors and media. There is an on-site guide equipment with a mobile device will guide you online all the way through the booth at the showground during the physical show hours. All events and services together to enhance the interactive and among exhibitors and visitors both on-site and online. The online exhibition of Wood Taiwan 2023 will open at the same time as the physical exhibitions kick off on April 20th. If you cannot participate the show in person, no worry about that. Welcome to join us virtually and get the opportunities to connect with customers from all over the world. Just log in online woodtaiwan.com.tw. Simple and easy. This is a virtual hall of Wood Taiwan 2023 online. At the online exhibition, visitors may find exhibitor information, product catalog, and connect with exhibitors in multiple ways through text messaging, video conference, or scheduled meeting online. On top of that, the online exhibition gives a quick access to the forum, seminars, and exhibitors events on web. The exhibitors can customize their virtual booths, choose from 12 booth designs and 25 color settings. On each virtual booth, up to 5 products can be shown in multiple display modes, like including PDF catalog, video, or a 3D image. Visitor data is easy accessible and ready for analysis through infographics. As for marketing and PR, we communicate with visitors through multiple channels. We use professional and industrial media, including industry association, internet, such as Google Display Network, social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, self-media like e-newsletter and EDMs. All these ways are to connect with our customers and to create visiting experience no matter online or on-site. The online application is open now. Welcome to join Wood Taiwan 2023. The worst of the pandemic is behind us. We look forward to having you with us with Taiwan 2023. Back to the enchanting world of the woodworking machinery together. If you have any questions or require additional information, please feel free to contact us or your nearest Taiwan overseas offices. Wood Taiwan official website are always there for you. Thank you for your time and expect to see you all at Wood Taiwan 2023. Thank you.